So you're trying to send emails to your list and you're looking at tools to do it. Well, there are a lot. Constant Contact, Mailchimp, Aweber, so many, an unbelievable amount. And in fact, maybe if there's interest, we'll do an entire video where we compare and contrast all of them. But for right now, I want to talk about two tools specifically, Aweber and Mailchimp. We've used both a lot in our businesses. I was a Mailchimp convert for a long time. However, a few years ago, we switched to Aweber, and in today's video, I want to talk about why. Let's do it. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. Learn how to book meetings with billion-dollar brands and take your company to the next level at email10k.com. So at a glance, both Mailchimp and Aweber seem like very similar tools. They both let you write emails to your list. They both let you store emails in their database. And what else do you need? Well, let's talk about how easy it is to get your subscriber list into either platform. Both platforms allow you to just take your previous email subscriber list and upload it. There's very little difference between the two. If you want to get your email list onto either platform, all you have to do is export it from your current system or just take an Excel, a CSV, or even just input them one by one. Both systems allow you to do that. So I'd say it's a tie. Both of them also let you create sign-up forms that you can put on your website. Mailchimp is HTML focused versus Aweber seems to be a little bit easier to embed, but they both let you use sign-up forms, no problem. So it's a tie, they're the same. Both platforms also allow you to send one-time messages, to do autoresponder sequences, although with Mailchimp's free plan, the autoresponders are limited. They allow you to create drafts, to tag people, and to send in both plain text and HTML. Just feature parity, they're the same tool at this point. Aweber does start to look a little better if you're using email templates, which we don't tend to use, but Aweber does offer 7,000 email templates that you can use to get started versus Mailchimp's 100. So there's a big difference. If you want to use a pre-designed email template, Aweber is the place to go. However, the 100 that Mailchimp has are better than Aweber's 700 templates. Aweber would actually do good to remove like 600 of those templates and just focus on good ones instead of going for the quantity over quality. So how easy are they to edit your newsletters once you're writing your emails? Both Aweber and Mailchimp use drag and drop. They both are easy to just point and click and start typing. They're equal. They're equal. So let's talk about segmentation. This is where they start to differ a little bit. Mailchimp has a lot better segmentation than Aweber. Aweber has a tagging system, but Mailchimp works in lists. They even have dynamic lists where you can use automation data. So if they come in from a certain email domain, you send them certain emails. If they open an email a certain amount of times, you put them on another list. There's intense segmentation. So if you're trying to make this whole tree of emails to target people specifically who take certain actions, Mailchimp is the way to go. Aweber does also allow segmentation, but it's mostly done through tagging, and it's a much more manual process versus Mailchimp's automated system. So what about autoresponders? One of the most effective ways to target your email list is to pre-write emails that go out as they sign up. So you sign up to a list and you get the same email on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 as somebody else who signed up 6 months ago. I love autoresponders. We use them in our businesses. As anyone who signed up to our email list can tell you, if you want to see them, sign up below. We send between 1 and 3 emails a day, which I get some complaints about, but we also make money off it. So I think it's fine. I'd say they're both pretty equal in terms of autoresponder. Mailchimp is a little bit easier to use. It's more visual. So Mailchimp is the UX driven company, meaning user experience. You can tell the Mailchimp team tries very, very hard to get their email system to be easy to use. You can tell that that is their priority. Versus Aweber is a little bit more engineering focused. They have some more things that you can do, but it's a little rougher around the edges. Mailchimp is better for beginners than something like Aweber. It takes a second to learn Aweber. What about email deliverability? How easy is it to avoid the spam box, to avoid the promotion folder, and does it matter if you're using Mailchimp or Aweber? Well, both of them promise over 99% deliverability, and they're both aiming for the same thing, and they use various features to make their emails more deliverable. So they're actually pretty even in terms of deliverability. What about A/B testing? Sending an email to a segment of the list before sending it out to the main list. MailChimp wins this by far. Aweber's A/B testing does not really work as well as you'd want it to work, versus MailChimp will allow you to send to 1% of your list, 5% of your list, test it and scale up. I actually really love MailChimp's A/B testing. How about sending affiliate links? Well, if you're in affiliate marketing, you basically need to be on Aweber. MailChimp has a blacklist of domains that you can't use versus Aweber that does not have a blacklist. So if you want to be locked in to what domains you can use and what you can't use, join MailChimp. If you want to be free to send whatever affiliate links you want, Aweber's the tool for you. For integrations, MailChimp also wins. They go directly into Facebook ads, into Google ads, and they also plug into ClickFunnels and Shopify and all of that. Aweber also plugs into ClickFunnels. MailChimp is the best at pitching the integrations, so they get the integrations. What about reports? How do they compare between the two tools? Well, MailChimp will give you the bounce rate, open rate, click rate, and other metrics using some graphs. It's very easy to see. Aweber, on the other hand, will also give you opens and clicks. They're about the same here. You get the same data with both. How's customer support? Well, Aweber has a phone number that you can call, for one. So the phone number is great, and I would say that takes it over the top of MailChimp, who does not have phone support. Both of them have tutorials and stuff that you can look at online in order to learn how to use the program. We mostly use the live chat when it comes to Aweber, and they're pretty responsive and very helpful. Now let's talk about pricing, all right? Because MailChimp, at first glance, seems like it's the cheaper system. And a lot of people join MailChimp because they have a free plan, but they get you on that free plan, right? Well, in Aweber, the price you're paying comes down to the number of subscribers that you have. They also have a 30-day free trial, so you can start immediately for free. And it starts at $19 a month for up to 500 subscribers. MailChimp has 3 different plans, with the free plan giving you up to 2,000 subscribers and or 12,000 emails each month. The second plan is $10 a month and gives you unlimited subscribers and unlimited emails. And then the pro plan is $199 a month, which also is unlimited subscribers and unlimited emails. It also gives you access to more tools. And they say the tools are optional, but if you're really serious about email marketing, you need to be on the $200 a month plan. So I'll compare that to Aweber. Aweber remains cheaper than MailChimp up until 25,000 subscribers. So if you have over 25,000 subscribers, you'll be paying Aweber and MailChimp about the same, $200 a month. But if you have under that, the maximum you'll be paying Aweber is $149. So if it does come down to pricing, Aweber is the winner here. Up to 25,000 emails on your list, at which point they become basically the same again. And we might actually switch back to MailChimp because I really like a lot of their tools, especially if we're paying over $200 a month for Aweber. So who wins between the two? If pricing is the only concern, go with Aweber. If you're newer to email marketing and you need to be handheld a little bit more, go with MailChimp. That's all it comes down to. I think all in, Aweber is the stronger tool, so that's the one that's gonna get the recommend from me. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. So you don't have a business idea, huh? Do you wanna know what the best business to start is, regardless of market conditions? Check out the free presentation at email10k.com. We have over 200 students that are crushing it using this business strategy, even during this time. So check that out, email10k.com. If you want to sign up for both of these, you can use our links down below. It really helps the channel out. Like this video to encourage this type of content. That helps as well with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe for more videos like this. We talk about starting a business, different tools and different tactics and tips, everything that you could ever want in a YouTube channel related to business. We got it here for you. Comment down below. What do you like better, Aweber or MailChimp? Or is there a third tool that you like better? Is there anything you want to see us review? You can also leave that down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.